Hello everyone, my name is Nikla, I am the project leader and they are my teammates Meghana, Masumwali, Ranadeep. Our project is minimization of power loss and voltage drop by DG placement using bacterial phasing optimization algorithm. Our project is done by under the esteemed guidance of Ramesh sir. Nowadays, electricity is the important factor in everyone's life. Most of the electrical power generation companies are concentrate on how to generate the electricity from different renewable technologies. But most of that companies failed how to minimize the losses. The electrical system is divided into three parts: generating system, transmission system and distribution system. If the length is between generating system and the distribution system is more, the losses is also more. In between generating system and distribution system, one system is there that is called transmission system. So most of the losses occur in the system only. So to avoid this problem, we install the DGs. Here the DGs refers to a small electrical power generation at consumer side ranging from megawatts to kilowatts. DG is one of the main technique to increase the efficiency of the system. Due to the scarcity of fuel resources and the increased need for energy in recent years, alternative energy sources have received considerable emphasis. As an alternative to current fuels, renewable energy sources are thus thought of it. The scale of renewable energy based generators is small in comparison to massive fossil fuels based power systems. There are many other DG technologies. The commercial energy technologies include IC engines, micro turbines, gas turbines, energy storage technologies. And the renewable technology includes fuel cells, wind and wave energy, solar photovoltaic, hydroelectrical energy. So coming to reciprocating engines, the most popular technology for distributed generation in reciprocating engines, they are tried and true technology with minimal initial outlay. And next, gas turbines. Often utilized in CHP, combined heat and power, operations are small industrial gas turbines with outputs between 1 and 20 megawatts. They are especially helpful when high thermal steam is needed than a reciprocating engine can generate. And microturbines. The incredibly fast rotating speed of microturbines is one of their most noticeable technical features. The generator may run up to 40,000 rpm and the turbine at to 120 rpm solo units ranging in power from 30 to 200 kilowatts. Very minimal noise emission levels can be ensured by low combustion temperatures. And fossil fuels. A fuel cell works similarly to a battery by electrochemically mixing hydrogen and oxygen without burning. Fuel as an oxidizer are continuously delivered into the fuel cell to maintain the ability to produce electricity. Pure water is the result of the electrochemical reaction which also produces heat and electricity without using a flame. Next, photovoltaic systems. Photovoltaic panels are also referred to as solar panels, are widely used in both commercial and home settings. Systems of any size can be created by combining units to create panels with a range of less than 5 kilowatts. They require little maintenance and do not emit any pollution. PV systems can be used to generate electricity for a range of uses including water purification, community lighting, small companies, agriculture and healthcare. Wind. The relevance of wind production as a component of the global electricity supply is steadily increasing. In the year 2000, 4.2 gigawatts of capability was added. Due to some wind farm size and location, which allows for connection at distributed voltage, wind power is occasionally referred to as dispersed generation. The existing system, that is particle sum optimization. An optimization method that uses an evolutionary search is called particle sum optimization (PSO). It was introduced by Dr. James Kennedy and Russ Eberhard in 1995. In past several years, PSO has been successfully applied in many research and application areas. It is demonstrated that PSO gets better results in a faster, cheaper way compared with other methods. As stated before, PSO simulates the behavior of bird flocking. Suppose the following scenario: a group of birds are randomly searching food in an area There is only one piece of food in that area being searched. All the birds do not know where the food is, but they know how far the food is in each iteration. So, what's the best strategy to find the food? The effective one is follow the bird which is nearest to the bird. The standard particles optimization uses both the current global best and the individual best at iteration. One of the reasons of using the individual best is probably to increase the diversity in the quality solutions. However, the diversity can be simulated using some randomness. Subsequently, there is no compelling reasons for using the individual best unless the optimization problem of interest is highly nonlinear and multimodal.
3.
In PSO, each particle is updated after 2 iterations using the best values. The first one offers the finest outcome to date. The name of this value is P-best. The best value so far attained by any member of the population is another best number, that is the particle swarmer planner keeps track of. This best price is referred to as G-best and it is a global best. The main benefits of this PSO is irrespective of design variable scaling, and also a processing may be concurrently parallelized with ease, a very effective method for global search. And the drawback of this PSO is slow convergence during the refined search phase and also needs memory to update velocity. Real world optimization
3.
The proposed system is bacterial foraging optimization algorithm. Real-world optimization problems are frequently complex and difficult to solve using current mathematical methods. The intelligence that arose from the social behavior of the members of the social colony may be utilized to solve these kinds of difficulties if the client is not very aware of the precise answer to the problem at hand. It was first proposed by Kevin M. Passino in 2000. In the name itself, foraging. Foraging means is the process of searching food. There are 4 foraging techniques. Those are chematoxis, swarming, reproduction, elimination and dispersal. Chematoxis. It is the process of searching food. The properties of bacterial movement in search of nourishment are called chematoxis process. These are 2 methods. They are swimming and tumbling. Swimming means it is a particular direction. It have a particular direction, and tumbling means random direction. In swarming, E. coli and S. typhorium are 2 motile species of bacteria that exhibit an intriguing group behavior where complex and stable spatio-temporal patterns emerge in semi-soiled multinutritional media. Elimination and dispersal. A bacterial population's local habitat may change gradually or suddenly for a variety of reasons. For instance, a major local temperature increase may kill a group of bacteria that are currently in an area with a lot of nutritional gradients. Events may unfold in such a way that they eliminate all the bacteria in particular areas or disperse a population into different areas.
3.
This picture represents the pictorial representation of the BFOA. Here, first the bacteria was born and going to forage. This foraging process is split into 2 types, migrate and split. Bacteria may search food by split or migrate. After these 2 steps, again the bacteria may born. If the bacteria does not forage, the bacteria may die. This process is repeats until the solution space is found. Here are the results for IEEE 33 bus system and 69 bus system. This is the code for 33 bus system. These are the voltage profile for 33 bus system. It contains 33 values. If we can simulate the results, if we run the code, these are the results. The color which is in blue color is with DG. The color which is in orange is without DG. The another is 69 bus system. This is the code for 69 bus system. These are the 69 values to run this code. If we run this code, these are the results. The color which is in blue color is with DG and the color which is in orange is without DG.